Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. Today I gonna share about how to use and how to know display history with using for next screen and for previous screen. That screen you was already open on that time. You can see which screen you are already open before uh, before present screen. So click on navigation screen and drag and drop it here and right at drag and drop. It's very good option in FactoryTalk View Studio. You can see same option and apply box rule. Here is a one box. In the one box, here is a border style. In the border style, reset, insert, reset, insert, reset, insert, and line. Click apply. Next border bit okay for no matter what. 4 is okay. Border use back color. Means back color like a border color. I already explained what is the back color. Border use back color. You can deselect and next solid style transparent. Okay. You can choose transparent. You can choose gradient. You can choose solid. Example solid. And for action, what action will happen? So what action will happen when you will click on this button? So in the previous screen, you can change font. You can see here general general. In the general small box, in the small box you can see border color. Change the border color according to you. Example hello back color. Sorry, back color is changed. Border color also you can change. Pattern also change and font also you can change according to you. Which font you are looking good. So in all videos I am using Rockwell. So select Rockwell. Always remember, if you trying to learn SCADA, so and you are trying to create SCADA, so it must font will be same each and every text or label previous screen. And you can what's caption will blink, image and transparent, same option like other button. Increase and inactive option, active and inactive. If you want to change inactive option, you can deselect and you can write here in the apply box. Click OK. So one is completed. Second one is next screen. It will be select next screen active and here one will be changed caption next screen. Apply. Okay. Okay. So it will be align top. Next is control V. One another option here, alarm navigation history. It's very good option in FactoryTalk View Studio. Click apply, OK, and it's safe. So for alarm, if you want to know alarm navigation history, so first you have to write screen text alarm screen name. Example for screen 1. In the screen 1 title bar will be animation 1. In my case, first screen name is animation 1. That's why I write it here animation 1. And you have to know about track navigation is selected or not. And also here you can write here, it will be deselect. Here you have to write navigation stream name. So first you want to right click on the screen, click on display setting, and you want to ensure track navigation is track screen navigation for track screen for navigation is selected or not. If this option is not selected, so you have to select this option first, and right here in the second corner navigation history screen name, you want to write here navigation screen name 1. In my case it is screen 1. In your case, if any name of the screen, you can write and apply, then click on OK, save. And it is a step number 1 for if you have to apply for each and every display. In the step number 1, right click animation 2, save. 3, right click animation 3, OK, save. Animation 4, right click animation 4, save. 5, right click animation 5, save. Enough. And in the second option you have to change one, you want to change in header footer. So in the header footer, sorry, so it's okay. Next what you have to do, you have to launch a client, then we can easily see its navigation is enabled or your navigation button is working or not. So in the step number 3, you have to open client. So click on 3, which uh, you cannot see the history, which animation display is on, which animation display is open. So click on it and you can see here allow security. What happened? I am creating video. Yes. अरे यार मम्मी पापा का फोन आ गया. So for navigation history, what you have to change in FactoryTalk View runtime client, you have to change what you have to change. You have to tick navigation tracking. If in FactoryTalk View runtime client navigation tracking is not selected, it means it will be not track the navigation. So click on navigation tracking, save and run. So in the navigation, in the navigation we have, you can use in the navigation with the help of navigation button 3 activate. What first you can know, you can know how it will be work in the next navigation screen and in the previous navigation screen, and also you can track navigation history, how much history, how which how many display you already opened, you can see with the help of navigation history. Selected in the before creating runtime client. It's loading. It will be take some time according to your system. You can see navigation screen, how to use navigation button in FactoryTalk View Studio client. So switch now in navigation 5. You can see in the navigation 5 three screen is showing here. First is previous screen. When you will be click on previous screen, so what will happen, that screen will be switched in the previous screen. That screen you was open before this screen. It's, you can see animation display 4, again animation display 5. You can see next screen, it will be automatically open next screen. Next screen is not open. Why is not opening? Because next screen we have to use in the previous screen. And so next screen, it is a spelling is wrong, so spelling will be correct. It will be navigation. In the navigation history, navigation history, apply and OK. And next screen will be in the previous screen. You have to select next screen will be in the previous screen, or also you can select in the header or footer. Its navigation screen must to choose in the header footer. So next you can see here navigation history. Navigation history in the which navigation history means which display has been on. Example, navigation 1, navigation 2, sorry, animation 1, animation 2, animation 3, and animation 4, animation 5. In the animation 5, navigation screen, you can see first screen is opened animation 1, second screen is animation 5, third screen is animation 1 again, animation 2, animation 3, animation 4, and fifth screen animation 5 is already opened. Also, what you can do with the help of navigation screen, you can clear all navigation history from here. So thank you for watching my video. If you love or if you like my video, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel.